Among its many functions in the body, water contributes to the maintenance of normal regulation of the body's temperature and the maintenance of normal physical and cognitive functions. 2/3 of our body is made of water, and most of the chemical reactions that occur need it in order to be conducted. Aim to consume 2 to 3 liters of water per day, which is roughly about 8 to 10 glasses. We might need to increase this amount, for example at times of increased physical activity or during hot weather. Half of the adult population do not meet these recommendations, and by the time you feel thirsty, your body is already dehydrated. Herbal Aloe Mango Concentrate is a tasty, low-calorie drink that will help you stay hydrated. It contains 40% aloe vera juice derived from the aloe vera leaf, which is extracted using a cold press method in order to achieve the highest quality of the aloe ingredient. Herbal Aloe Mango Concentrate is the perfect replacement to high-calorie sugary drinks. Liven up your water with the refreshing taste of Herbal Aloe Mango Concentrate to help you achieve optimum hydration levels. Contact your Herbalife Nutrition member today for further details.